Hey, what is this place called? Mutyala Waterfalls. It is in Warangal. Sorry, near to Warangal, 100 kilometers from Warangal. From Hyderabad, it is around 400 kilometers. So, we reach a place called. What was the place called? Veerabhadravaram. So, from Veerabhadravaram, we had to walk all the way in the jungle till 6 kilometers, around 6 or 7 kilometers. So, we are on the way. You can, people are like starving. Walking here, you can see all the dense forest here. This is a very adventurous journey. First time in my life. Really excited to see the waterfall because despite of all this suffering, we are excited how it will be. Is it worth or not? See the beauty, Mutyala waterfall. This is just a beauty. Finally, the worth of traveling 6 kilometers on foot is paid off. This is really amazing. And of course, this is very breathtaking journey here, especially climbing these rocks. We should be very careful. So finally, we made it, but still, we are still one more step to reach the epic one, and we are of course excited.